Coming up on Raft. I see off the shark. The raft may or may not be haunted. And we spot a disappearing island. Hello, fellow oceanic adventurers. The ocean is a wild and lonely place, full of excitement and heartache. Dreams are created and dashed to pieces, all in the turning of the tide. We found a fancy, rare crimson clucker, and it was within our grasp. But unfortunately, we must say goodbye to the rare bird and let it run free. We will forever be on the search for that elusive crimson clucker, and we will not stop until another one is found and captured. Caught. Tamed? But for now, we must move on and make sure that we can build a mansion to house any animals that we may collect as we explore the ocean. Join me as we fight off sharks and starvation in another raft endeavour. Okay, now what were we up to previously? So, what's next? I think I need to keep building out the raft. So, I want as much metal as I can get cooking. What was I doing? This. That one. Hey, we got a nice little walkway around the original things. Time to start building outwards, I guess. And I ran out of plastic. I hear you. Yeah, you stay away, you. Oops. Did not mean to dive in after him. Oops. Come back. Yeah, okay. I'm good at things. You see me like trying to collect things and I'll turn before I get it, that's why. Because if I can't hold it, it'll stay on the boat at least, or the raft. Now I think I need to make another one of these. So, not the metal arrows, this. There we go. Have to start organising everything soon. Wait! Stop that! Shark. Need to pick up all of this stuff before it despawns. Let's see. Got it. Alright. How do I want to do this? Guess that's as far as we're going. Hello, bird. Presents. Painting. What am I hearing? What? I don't know. Ah, there they are. Would help if that had some fuel. Some planks in there. I think I've run out of food. Awkward. Could make a fishing rod, I guess. Okay. on that. Come here, you. What? Now, what do I need for this? Nails. I haven't got any. Oh, there we go. Nails. Perfect. Now, did I learn everything? No. Oh, I need a circuit board. Well, that's the juicer. Where's the net? What do I need for the... What? Am I hearing things, or is there something going on? Oh, there's a whale! Help. There's also a shark. I missed. Come back. Oi, cheeky. Where's this ammunition for this? Net canister, that's the one. I need to research stones as well. Okay. I figured it out. Learned a metal arrow before I learned the stone one. Oops. Should probably do some copper too. I'll worry about that later. Okay. Okay. It's another large island. Wonder if that one's got a fancy thing that I can't get because it won't let me have it. Wait, come here. Come here. Gotcha. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll do a extra one. Should probably make an anchor, huh? Can I make a sail? Let's do that as well. I need a stone. There we go. Right. Let's pop you there and then just stick that there, because why not? That way. Actually, no, never mind. I'm going to be pulling up alongside it just fine. What? What am I hearing? Okay, do I want to get closer? Yeah, let's just drop anchor here. There we go. Got it, and I just lost my hook. Now, food is going to be a bit of an issue. Oh, I've got that, okay. Would like to have some food cooking though. What do I need to make a fishing rod rope, as always. Don't. Close. Oh, come on. Oh, I need a bolt. Alright, one fishing rod. Now I would like to make a second one of those. Oi! Where are ya? Stop it. Probably could have reached that. Okay, let's fill up on food and water. Get rid of the present. Cupboard. Cup. Let's catch some fish. One-handed. Do I actually need to have bait? Haven't really played. Oh, I guess not. What was that? I keep hearing things. The bird's not coming to attack, is it? Right. Oops. Got worried about the bird coming and then I saw the shark and now I've fallen off because I was... alright. Focus on one thing at a time. Be fine, I'll just take that. Arrows. I only needed one explosive powder, so I could have got that chicken. Thought I needed 4. Damn. Alright, it'll teach me to not actually check things. Alright, let's go check this out. I just jumped in front of the shark, good job. Ow! Yep. I'm stuck. Up, 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 up. You. Hiya. You as well. All the things. Bam. Whoop. Bam. Up. What? Careful now. Can I get my arrow back? Ow. Fine, I won't take my arrow back. Oh wait, was that it? Did I see it? Yeah, hello. It's really pretty looking. I love the textures that they made and the pattern. Okay, got my arrows back. Now there's a bird somewhere. Sorry, Shadow. Where'd he go? Ah, there he is. Right. It's on. Okay, you're up there. Nope. Way off. little too far away? Yeah. Gotcha. Now where'd he go? Oh, he's too far away. I'll wait until he comes to me. And bam. Yeah. Need to learn to keep more of an eye on where he goes. Okay, he's over there. Come on. Haven't given up yet, have you? Of course you'd go up there where I can't reach. Yeah. Ow. Are you a fancy one? You look fancy. Alright, what have we got here? Not a whole lot. I think I'll start on the island first. And then we can do the water after. Hey, is there something back there? Nope. Ow. I'm full already. There we go. Alright. Is there another boar on the island? So I need to go back to my raft and unload. Doesn't look like it. There's a goat. I think that's a normal one though, so I'm not going to worry about trying to catch them. Can't believe I could have actually caught that chicken. Well, because I didn't check what I actually needed. I was thinking I needed 4. Oh well. Now is my raft over here? It's different. I'll go up there in a second. I need to offload my inventory. Where did my raft go. There is... yeah, there it is. Need a little locator beacon or something. Okay. Hello, shark. Ow. Oops. Really? Out of storage space already. You can go in there. I took care of that. And... okay, so I need wool before I can get armour. So maybe I will have to try and catch a llama. There you go, have that. Probably don't need this shovel anymore. Alright, let's go up. Obviously somebody's been here before. Sounds like they're still here. I hear the pitter-patter of feet. Is there a fancy chicken here? Or is it just a regular chicken? Can I pinch your crops? Is that okay? Thank you. I hear a chicken. Where is it? That is not what I meant to do. Okay. Can I pinch that? Simple fishing. That looks all much the same. And I still don't have either of those. Is that something I can plant? Yep. Got nothing for that. Can I turn you off? Alright, well that's that. There you are. You're just a normal one. Alright, is there anything else we need here? Just bundle everything up and head off. Yoink. I wonder if I should be starting to collect the flowers. I haven't really got anywhere to put them yet though. Some trees, but I don't know how much it's worth literally cutting them all down. I mean, the wood is good, but we can get the wood from the water, the ocean. That's what it's called. Absolutely grab these though. Look at my rock down there, it looks like some kind of spaceship. There is a llama, I wonder if I should try and catch the llama. I really wanted that chicken, I wish I wasn't such an idiot and just leaving before I actually checked what I needed. Now, that's the goat. Don't think I'll worry about that for now. But I could get the llama, because then I could get wool, and I'll be able to unlock the armor from the llama. Or I could not worry about it and get it later. Don't think he saw. Fishy. Bird. Really? Stop that. Now I've got to repair it. Don't have my hammer. It's a whole mess. Running out of room again. Already. Metal ingot. Presents. An open book. Okay. Now, what do I need for this? Perfect. I'll do that one. I think I might try and fortify my raft a bit before I go exploring the water. Farewell for now, YouTubers. After the annoying loss of the chance to catch the Crimson Clucker, which is only 4% chance to get that skin by the way, we have to press on. We realised our mistakes and we have learned from them. I'll never forget that I only need one explosive powder again. The plan moving forward is to build the raft out a little more and attempt to make it shark-proof, and we'll finish exploring the island and the water before setting off to see what other secrets the ocean holds. I hope that you enjoyed and that you'll join me next time for another oceanic adventure. Bye!